Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers, cheap Benton local and long distance movers near me. Are you looking for professional moving services in Benton, Arkansas? Look no further than 3Movers. We are a renowned company with years of experience that provides exceptional services all across the nation, and these services are also available in Benton. We provide speedy and efficient services that are guaranteed to meet all our customers' needs. Our staff are highly skilled and have years of experience. We are determined to provide only the best for our customers and putting their minds to rest during the move. A long-distance move can be stressful, especially if it is a large-scale move. To take the load off, you may choose to hire professionals to help you out, and that is where the services of 3Movers come in. Any move that goes beyond 100 miles is considered a long-distance move. Knowing this helps you plan and budget your move better. Moving can overshadow all the enthusiasm of looking forward to a new place and a fresh start. We aim to alleviate your stress by ensuring the safety of your belongings during the move by providing friendly service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Benton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.